Material. Butterfly nail stickers are made of environmentally friendly materials, non-toxic, that has no peculiar smell and will not stick with each other. Butterfly stickers for nails. The nail decals for nails will be great gift for your female friends, mom, wife, etc. Nail sticker designs are perfect for home nail DIY and professional nail salon. Nail stickers for acrylic nails are great for your fingernails and toenails decorations. Self-adhesive design. The nail design kit is convenient to decorate your own style nail. You can cut the pattern out of the nail decor stickers to fit most natural or fake nails. You should use nail seal coat to cover it, can make the sticker last and looks more natural. Package include 10 sheets butterfly nail art stickers. Fashion accessories. Hope you can enjoy the fun of DIY nail painting. After sales service. If you have any problem, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to help you as soon as possible. Have a nice shopping. Top reviews from the United States. Definitely use tweezers. These are gorgeous stickers. Definitely need to use tweezers, these will rip. Some are a little difficult to get off, but nothing too major not to buy.